Hey friends, if you encounter the error the extraction operation was not completed, error 0x8096002A, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. First of all, open Microsoft Edge and type 7-zip and hit enter. Then go to the download page. Okay, and then download the latest file. If it's a 64-bit computer, download this one. If it's a 32-bit computer, download this one. Click on open. Wait for a few seconds to the application to load. Click on yes, click on install, and let it install the application on your system. This is a magical application. Now to extract your folder, right click on it, select this option 7-zip. Don't select extract all, but select 7-zip and select extract here. Okay, just click yes to all and that's done. It will fix your problem. But if in the rarest case it does not, then you can perform an SFC scan on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.